can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today I'm going to show you guys 10 items from Supreme Week 1 that you should definitely hold for resale. Some of these items I definitely feel like are going to grow in value as time goes on a whole lot, and it would definitely be in your interest to go ahead and hold them. So let's go ahead and get straight to it. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click on post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So the items that I'm showing you guys today definitely is in no specific order. I'm gonna just let you guys know what I feel like these items are gonna do, probably like in the future, or what they're gonna go for now. We're gonna go ahead and start with this Gore-Tex Smurfs Jacket. I feel like the retail for this kind of killed the resale, but it definitely is gonna be a moneymaker in the future. When it comes to these kind of collabs with like cartoons and things like that, they do become sought after as time goes on, and I feel like this jacket right here is definitely another great one. It has really good branding on it. The Smurfs are all throughout it, but it's not super loud. It's just going through all around the jacket. On the top, it still has the Supreme branding on the front. I feel like this one will definitely go for like 600 as time goes on. I would recommend you guys to go ahead and hold this item. If you're just trying to make a couple bucks, it might resell for a good price within like 4 to 5 months as winter comes in heavily. But for now, I feel like you should definitely hold this piece and just see what happens. Bags are usually a tricky subject because it's either you hate it or you love it, and I feel like some of these bags people don't really love too much. One thing that I am gonna say is that they normally don't drop a mini duffel or they don't drop a sling bag, and I feel like the sling bag might have a chance at doing good as time goes on, as well as the mini duffel, because since the price of it was initially $100, it has way more margin to do better in the future. The better colorways in my opinion would be the red or the olive, but the cheetah print color when it comes to Supreme usually creeps up like crazy, and I feel like it might do this with this bag as well. Females love that color. I don't know if they still into it, but they end up doing good. That's all I know. I would definitely hold the bags. If you did buy it and you don't really need the money right now, just go ahead and hold it because it will do good in the future. Trust me. Another jacket that I feel like is gonna do really great now and in the future is the Smurfs denim jacket. Personally, I don't like it, and that's what I said in the drop list. It's just not for me, and I feel like that's mainly because of the colorways that they decided to do. If it was like a light denim or a jet black, I definitely would have been rocking with it, but I feel like for me it's just not it. But for other people, this shit flew off the shelf. I feel like resale will definitely be there. This shit is gonna have resale now. It'll probably go for like $350, $400, and in the future, bro, there's no telling. I could see $500 to $600 on this jacket if you hold it for some years. This is another great jacket. For me, it's just the colors that don't do it in my personal opinion, but you can also not go wrong when it comes to the tees. The tees are probably the best way to make some money when it comes to Supreme for two simple reasons. The retail is really low and a lot of people could afford it, and the designs are on point most of the time, bro. Like this jet tee is fire. There's a couple more that I'll cover in a little bit, but this jet design is fire. The Lovers design is fire as well. The Nuevo York tee, I don't even know why they called it like that, but that one is actually good for certain people who want to see that big ass Supreme branding on the front. That personally isn't my style, but I could see all these three tees going up as time goes on. By the time the season ends, these will definitely be at 80 bucks, 70 bucks a piece, and it doesn't hurt to hold it for that amount of time if you're doubling your profit, you know what I mean? But another piece that I feel like might end up doing good as time goes on is that camo deck. That camo is fire, bro. I feel like this is gonna be a sleeper deck. It has that tonal camo Supreme logo on it. This is probably gonna do good in the future. Mark my words, it'll go for like 120, 140, and I feel like hold it, bro. Low-key, when it comes to Supreme, I definitely recommend people to hold it because you can make way more profit if you do so. If you're in it for the quick flip, bro, I don't even know what to tell you, bro. Like, you're not gonna make that much money, but if you're trying to hold these items and just use it as an investment in a way, you could definitely make good money. Trust me on that. I've done it time and time again, and it definitely works, bro. I still got some pieces I'm holding low-key. One of my favorite pieces from week 1 will definitely be the Futura logo tee. This shit is fire. I don't know why it didn't fly off the shelves faster. Low-key, the color that I got isn't probably the most popular. It's one that I definitely wanted. I just wanted the red one because I don't really have a red Supreme tee besides the MLK tee that I have, and I just really wanted a red ass tee, and that's exactly what I got. But that's beside the point. When it comes to this tee, I definitely feel like that black colorway will do the best in resale as time goes on. There's a couple other colorways as well that will do good, like the purple will probably end up doing good. I don't know how I feel about the camo because the branding isn't too noticeable on it, but even that yellow with the Brazil dunks, fire, bro. Think about it, that shit is hard. I feel like this tee as time goes on will hit the 120, 130, and low-key if you hold it for the right amount of time, you could be sitting on money. I'm just telling you, hold this tee for sure, bro. Doesn't even matter what color, doesn't matter what size, this tee will go up in the future, hands down. We got 4 more pieces that I do want to cover in this video, then we'll get straight up out the building. But I do want to say that Addict.io is gonna restock on September 15th. If you guys aren't interested in checking them out, click the link at the top of the description. All you have to do is check out Addict.io and sign up for their newsletter to get notified once they restock. It's gonna be super limited, so you definitely want to go ahead and check that out. We do got this Faro Sanders T. This is probably gonna be one of the ones to do best when it comes to resell. Normally these tees that have like the big Supreme box logo on it end up doing really good as time goes on. It's just the way that it works. There's a Supreme box logo kinda in it and people love that shit. I just wish this was like a more popular person on the tee, but it is what it is. I did manage to buy one of these. Personally, I will be holding it because I feel like as time goes on, this shit will hit 150. That's when I want to be like, yo, should I sell this or should I just keep holding it? You could probably make good money now, like $30 at most. In the future, you could probably make like $60, $80 on this tee, and I definitely feel like it'll be more worth it if you decide to do that rather than sell it now. We also got this basketball, which I feel like low-key the retail was really high. $108 for a basketball is kind of nuts in my opinion, but I definitely feel like this one will have resell considering the fact that they don't drop basketballs often. A lot of people are interested in items like these. This was supposed to release last season, so the fact that it didn't kind of drives the hype up even more. Low-key, I was trying to go for it this morning and I took an L. By the time I went to go see it, it was just gone, bro. Definitely hold this item. I feel like this will go for $200 plus, and the fact that a basketball sells for that much money is just crazy to me. Resell for this will definitely be there. It's probably there already as we speak, but if you hold this for like a year or two, you'll be sitting on good money. That's almost a guarantee, low-key. We got this verified tee, which I feel like flew, bro. I was only able to get the camo colorway in a medium. I feel like these tees will do good, bro. Hands down, this is a tee which is kind of mocking people in a way because you take an L with the captchas, but it was one of the first ones to go, and I feel like these better tees that I've been covering are definitely better to hold it. Some of the tees from last season, week 1, are going for over $100 at this point. Go ahead and check StockX. They're going for well over $100, maybe like 120, 130. Literally, all you had to do was hold it for 4 months, and you could have doubled the amount of money you could have made if you sold it right away. There's a lot of pieces that I sold within a couple months of buying it, and they're going for really good money right now, and I really do regret it, but it is what it is at this point. We're gonna go ahead and talk about the last item, which is the cards. I might be biased, bro, but this is my favorite item that released besides the Futura T. If I was to keep 2 items, it's the Futura T and the playing cards, and I feel like a lot of people feel the same way. So these playing cards, hands down, will go up in the future. Just look at the gold playing cards that came out and then look at these. They're both fire. The price will reflect one another within a couple years. Just trust me on that. They probably won't do as good as those because those have been out for like 8 to 10 years type shit, like 7 years, who knows, but these will go up to like $70, $80. These will hit almost $100, and it's crazy. But I definitely do recommend you guys to hold each and every one of these pieces that I talked about today if you're trying to maximize on your profits. All I'm gonna say is slap the like button on this video if you did enjoy. If you found this helpful in any way, subscribe to the channel if you are new or would enjoy more of this type of content. Also, let me know if you would like me to make one of these videos talking about whether you should hold or resell every single week. If you do end up enjoying it, I will go ahead and do it. Subscribe, click those post notification bells if you're new, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.